Ladies and gentlemen, the building that houses us presently is an education center. Do we really know what is the meaning of education? Education is a long-term process of training a person. It can be anywhere, no matter if it is in a glass building, concreted house, savannah, or forest. We are here to talk about the role and importance of education. Education starts with the household, with the parent, with the family. With age progression, it continues at school or university in a structured society. That means no matter where, who, education is a process, and that process is systematic. Education is, as Nancy Mandela said, I quote, the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. What education does for all of us in the world. Education is as important as the air we breathe. It is the most important possession a person must have. As President Obama said, I quote, every single one of you has something you are good at. Every single one of you has something to offer. And you have a responsibility to yourself to discover what that is. That is the opportunity and education can provide. It is an effort of the older generation to transfer their life wisdom to their offspring. Our world is constantly changing and developing, so it is very important to teach and bring up intelligent people who would understand the problems of modern society and solve them in a proper way. Education plays a vital role in shaping successful people. As Malcolm X said, I quote, education is the passport to the future. The tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it now. Education is a key to success. We can underline the benefits of education as follows. Education reduces poverty. For example, 171 million people will be lifted out of poverty if all children left school with basic reading skills. Absolutely, education could be reduced by absolutely poverty would be reduced by 30% from learning improvement. Education and poverty are inversely related. The higher the level of education of the population, lesser will be the number of poor persons because education imparts knowledge and skill, which is supportive in higher wages. Education increases earnings, individuals' earning. Education increases earnings by roughly 10% per each individual year of schooling. Annual income level for people who do not complete a high school education average is $20,000. For those who completed high school, the income jumps up to $31,000. People who attend college but do not complete a degree have $32,000 as an average income. Those who completed an associate degree increase their income to $40,000 on average. The bottom line is that education does have an impact on income. Education helps save the planet. Overall climate change and resulting increased frequency of natural disasters and reduced agricultural output could cause as many as 122 million people into poverty by 2030. The creation of green industry rely on high-skilled, educated workers. Education Agriculture contributes one-third of all greenhouse gas emission. Primary and secondary education can provide future farmers with critical knowledge and sustainability changes in agriculture. In sum, education is one of the most important investments a country can make in its people and its future. Education is important to people of all ages and it has no limit. Let's do it. Thank you all.